Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to try to do a little freshening up on my European bear mount. So I don't know if I showed you guys it in the past, but I had a buddy clean it all up for me. This was 4 years ago, I think. 5 years ago I shot it. I'll throw a picture in here for you guys. Shot it up in Hornpain, Canada, up in Ontario. It was right around 200 pounds it dressed out at. It was a good size. It was a sow. My buddy Justin that went with us, he shot like 250 some pound boar, and it was a good one. So I was hoping I could make it back this year, but with all the COVID restrictions, I wasn't able to make it back. So we're gonna dress it up. It's a little faded. Some of the oils and fats come back out of the skull. So we're gonna try the same method I did with my deer skull. So we're gonna paint it. So let's get it taken off the plaque and get it ready for paint. Alright, so we got her all taped off for, I guess, as good as it's going to be. These will be all inside, so you won't see those. We're going to go with like a tan color. I hired a cameraman for me that's going to help me today. You want to introduce yourself, cameraman? Oh! Got it? All right, stay right on that. Hold it really still.
Here, hold it with 2 hands.
What is that?
You can see the bear in the picture.
Yep.
I can.
Yep.
So this is the color spray paint we're using. My cameraman, how much are you gonna charge me?
100.
$100? Okay.
What's that for?
Looks kind of cool.
Yeah, that looks cool.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Gotta push down on it.
Are you not worried about those teeth?
No, those are inside.
I will punch you. Bam! This one's hot.
Alright. We're just gonna let her dry. Alright, I don't think it turned out too bad.
Good.
Kinda has like
Yeah,
a
this one's hot.
desert look to it.
Bam! Now this one's hot. Bam!
Oh,
We got the hot glue gun ready. We'll get those glued, the jaws glued back on, and get her put back on this that I made. I made this a while ago. It's just a piece of wood that I sanded down and threw a coat of polyurethane on. So, all right, there's the finished product, guys. What do you think? I think it looks pretty cool. Almost kind of looks like it's decayed. Kind of cool looking. That was a pretty simple video, but you guys can do it yourself. It's an easy way to dress them back up. You could put it back in peroxide and get it just back to white natural if you wanted. I didn't have any peroxide, and I like the look of the paint or the dips, any of those. So if you guys like the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and as always, shoot straight.